What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine back at it again with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be running some errands and everything like that. So before we get into this video, go ahead and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the button so you'll be notified every time I post a YouTube video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. But look at this. It's giving everything you need to give. You understand what I'm saying? I'm still trying to figure out this lightning thingy thing, so I don't know if the lightning good, but anyways, let's jump right into the video. This is how they turn out. Period. Now I'm gonna show y'all my focus. Bring it back on me. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my inspo that I went, like my inspo that I got, and she freaked up this bee. Let me see. That was my inspo. It was from off of TikTok or whatever, and then this is what she did. Tell me that's not cute. Tell me this not cute. Anyway, so I'm probably be leaving in like an hour or two, because I got somebody child with me at the moment, you know. But this is the perfume I'm gonna be wearing, Victoria's Secret Love Spell. I don't know, I'm just showing y'all. I need to go shopping for some more perfume because I mean, I don't really wear perfume like that, but it is what it is. And then this is my outfit. Let me see. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all the outfit. Once I figure this camera angle thingy out. Maybe like this. And like this. Yeah, like that. So this is the outfit. Let me close this. She acting on that she want me to spank it. Bad little bitch, stop racing. But this is the outfit, y'all like it? It's giving. It's giving. Oh, my knees. Okay. Hold on. Bring it up. Y'all don't mind the hair under my armpits. If y'all see it in this video, like anytime in the video, I save, like not saving, but letting my hair grow out so I can go get my armpits waxed, and I'll bring y'all along on the road. So I already did my hair, which y'all seen in the last clip. I had it in the middle part, but I decided to change it to a side part because I am really feeling the middle part. This is my last day wearing this wig. This wig is from AliExpress. If any of y'all want to know, I'll probably put the link down below. I mean, they ain't sponsoring this video or anything like that, but I'm trying to be like De'Ara. De'Ara she don't stick and move. Is that what that mean? Like stick and move me like, I don't know what that mean, but I know Kodak said it. Look what I got, y'all. A freaking computer. I bought this. I've been having this for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I think. 2 freaking weeks. I done had this computer, and it is a MacBook Air. Yes, you know what I'm saying. So your girl finna be editing, like doing her editing. Let me tell y'all why. Can you hear me, my phone? Let me tell y'all why I had to hurry and give me a computer. The original plan was to get my computer like in January, maybe December, or like at the end of December, because you know I was editing off my phone. Like the videos that's already posted on my YouTube, they were edited from my phone. But like my phone, it was not trying to put out any videos or edit any videos because of the storage. Like it was no storage on my phone or whatever. So I was like, dang, like I'm mad. Like I was mad. I do have a new camera. I have the Canon G7X, but the camera that I had recorded a few videos on, like a video that I was gonna put out on my Canon M50, and it's still, the videos are still on there, so y'all probably will never see those videos because I just don't feel like editing it. The lighting was not good in it or anything, so y'all probably will not get that video. But why I got a computer was because the storage on my phone was full. It was not letting me edit anything. So I'm glad I went ahead and invested in the computer. I got 2 cameras now. I was gonna get the Sony's ZV-1, but when I went to Best Buy, the man was like, they sold out nationwide. I don't know if he was lying or anything, but look, I just said, just go ahead and give me the Canon G7X. That's just what it is. So that's that. And then I have a furniture update. So my vanity chair broke to my vanity that y'all saw on my empty house tour. The vanity chair broke because somebody sat on it and the screws wasn't in all the way, so they just wound up breaking it. They just wind up breaking it, you know what I'm saying. So it's sitting over there in a corner, broke. So I have to go to Home Goods today and try to find like a desk chair or whatever to go to my vanity. That's why in one of the clips that y'all gonna see, I was doing my hair in the bathroom. And then my bed set is coming. I have a dresser, TV, and vanity, so I'm not buying the whole bed set. I'm just buying like a black bed or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. It said it'll be here December 11th. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I was gonna get this bed off of Wayfair, but Wayfair had it sold out on there. So I was like, I was looking for the bed, and then I found it was on Amazon or whatever. So what the, I'm trying to show y'all the bed. I'm trying to show y'all the bed without. Okay, I don't know how to get to the, but can it focus? Okay, that's the bed, and that's how it looks. And I'm gonna get a white sheet to go on it and everything. Focus back on me. Focus. Anyway, so I'm not gonna keep rambling or chit-chatting with y'all. I'll just catch y'all in the next video clip or whatever. But I kind of do want to just sit here and talk to y'all and give y'all some life updates. Not too much life updates, but life updates. I just think that I just look pretty, so I just want to sit in the camera and talk, y'all. So this is the toothpaste I get. I probably need like a bigger one. Yeah. Need to. Just this, to be honest. Like, what be the difference? What be the fucking difference? Alright, y'all, so I'm in Walmart. I want some teeth whitening strips. Them joints $31. What I want to do is go get my teeth whitening first and then come back, like, you know, by a professional, and then come and get teeth whitening strips. I think that'd be better results. Hopefully we don't lose none of this footage. I'm in Walmart filming. I don't need none down there. I need some Q-tips right here. I will go ahead with these for my ears. I just did a sneezing. Okay, so now I'm in a body care aisle. The part y'all all been waiting for. Let's see. Oatmeal. Crushed almond mango butter. They ain't really got nothing I like. Nothing. Not for the body scrubs anyways. I got this in my shower right now. This one. I want to try something else though. Let's see. Oops. Lavender. Ooh, that shit stink. What? Instantly reveals and smoother skin. This one smells good. $6 though. Oh, this one smells good. This one. This one got sea minerals in it. Why it look blurry? Okay. Ooh, this smell like medicine. Look at me. I don't really need this, but I need it. That's it. I don't need none of this. I was recording. And they have Olay too. I'm a little bit fan of Olay. Okay, I think that's good. It's me vlogging in Walmart. Let's see. It's hot. Like, I'm really hot for some reason. Like, really fucking hot. Oh my gosh. They got these body beauty for body. I could do a skincare routine with this. That's cute. I had a list. What's up, y'all? See? I hope it don't fall or anything. I don't know if this is a good angle or not, but anyways, I just got it from Walmart, as y'all see in the last clip. Now let me show y'all everything that I picked up. I picked up a few foods. I picked up some bread, yes, some oatmeal, apple cinnamon, great value because it already comes sweetened and y'all put no sugar in it. I picked up some Q-tips, some disinfectant wipes, Clorox, I like wipe stuff down. Some more toothpaste. I used the Crest White 3D one. Yep. And I picked up a freaking candle lighter, actually. because I needed one because I don't have one. The one that I had, it ran out of fuel or whatever. I hope this is good. Excuse my hair, excuse my hair, excuse my skin, excuse everything. I'm tired and everything. I'm about to get ready to cook after everything. And then I bought some gloves, exfoliating gloves. That'll be cute. I bought some of this hair glue. Well, ultra glued invisible styling gel or whatever. This is what I use on my natural hair. If y'all ain't see my natural hair video, that's my first video that I ever posted. You should go watch it. But that's what I use on my natural hair to slick it down and everything. And I bought some Dove Gentle Exfoliating with Sea Minerals. I want to try this. It smells so good, so I want to try it. You know what I'm saying? And then I bought some paper napkins. Yeah, paper napkins because I needed some. And that's everything that I got from Walmart. Anyways, I'm about to put up these dishes because I washed dishes earlier and I need to put them up. And I'm gonna get started cooking and y'all gonna see that. And after that, the video is done and I can go ahead and get this video to y'all because I don't want to postpone it any longer. You get what I'm saying? And look at this, y'all. One knife is in the sink, but I got this off Amazon. Yes, your girl been shopping. She been shopping. Oh, I want to show y'all my other things too. Let me show you. Right there. I did that. I don't even think I showed y'all that. Oh shit. I don't even think I showed y'all that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up and put these dishes up, and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, so I don't know if this is a good angle, but I got my chicken right here. I already rinsed it, but I'm gonna rinse it again because that was quick. I already rinsed it, like I said. I already rinsed it, but play with it. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this in half, and then I'm gonna season it in the pot. Put it in half like this. So I'm gonna make some chicken alfredo. I hope the lightning is y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? Alright, whatever. Y'all know what I'm doing. Cut this in half. Ooh, about to cut my nails off. And then like that. I'm gonna cut it smaller. Last time I made this and I didn't cut it small enough. And I didn't have enough chicken to go out throughout the whole freaking thing. This is dinner for one, not two, dinner for one. So I'm gonna meal prep this. Anyways, how's y'all day? I still have not found the title yet. It's some things in there. I got the way. But how's y'all day? Hope it was good. Are y'all watching all the Vlogmas shows that the girls are putting out? Because I know I'm gonna watch it. I know I'm gonna be watching it. Face, but it ain't about that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little oil in here to just cook the chicken halfway. And I wound up not even going to Home Goods, y'all, because it get dark fast. It's literally dark outside and ain't nothing but almost 7 o'clock. Like I said, it get dark fast outside, and I was tired, so I was like, I think I should have put the garlic first. It's okay, it's already in the pot. It's already in the pot. We finna season it though. Don't get me wrong. Okay, these are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using. I have the seasoning bottles that I labeled, but that junk is not coming out how it needs to be. So we just gonna. See what I'm talking about? It's not even coming out. And I have it in a different freaking bottle too. Killing me. This is that adobo. I'm trying to hurry up. Onion powder. Garlic salt. This really got salt in it. I meant to get garlic powder. I don't know how I picked up garlic salt. So it is what that is. Black pepper. I'm gonna put some minced garlic in there, like a little bit. It smells so good. I love the smell of garlic. Put that on the side. You don't need too much. And some accent. That right there. What y'all know about that accent? This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is that. This is that. Like, see? But it don't come out like how it's... Well, it might come out. Like, but no, it don't. Like... And I'm about to put the freaking noodles in because they ready. All right, y'all, so I finished. This is how it looks. I'm so sleepy. Like the lightning is not giving what, this is how it looks. The lightning not giving what it's supposed to freaking give, bro. I took a bite for y'all. Shit, piping hot. Some chicken. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's vlog or whatever. I look rough. I'm gonna go to bed, go shower, go to bed. Thank you for tuning in today's vlog. Go ahead and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. I'm trying to get better at my vlogging skills, so I hope you know it's good. But anyways, I'm gonna bye-bye. Have a good night.